Hey everyone, Tim here from TMR Customs with another look at one of our tool organizers. This one's a Weld Bottle Organizer. It's referred to as the Whole Shebang. I'm going to walk you through it and show you why it's called that. So first, you can hold the wire brush. My personal favorite, this bottle top holder. Spot for your anti-spatter. Spot for an aerosol, paint or other. Spot here for your snips. Various spots for markers, so I've got a black Sharpie, silver Sharpie, and a paint marker. Measuring tape's no longer gonna get lost. Adjustable wrench. Spot for your pair of gloves. 2 hooks, whether that's for your welding jacket, or if you got your own jacket, whatnot. I keep 2 welding jackets on this guy. And 1 last hook, obviously, for your helmet there. So that's the TMR Customs Weld Bottle Organizer. This one's called the Whole Shebang, part number 2407. Check it out, tmrcustoms.com.